this wasn't the plan today, but we ended up coming here, and it's cool. Behind us is the crater of Kilauea. It's the crater of Kilauea.
Volcano.
And what do you see out there, man?
Lava.
The dried lava?
Yep.
Okay, well there's a lot of steam vents in this area.
Yeah.
So this is the steam vent viewing area. So all around us we are like surrounded by these steam vents. And it is unfortunately not warm where we are though. So we're gonna go to one of the steam vents and see if we can warm up a little. This is way better.
Like a sauna.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this. I wish they busted up. Ooh, wow. Ooh,
Alright, so we went to the village outside of this national park to try to find some warm clothes, and it was completely fruitless. There's nothing, there's like no stores that sell clothes within like a half a mile away. Or I'm sorry, half an hour away.
Unless you want to pay $50 for like $5 sweatshirts.
Yep,
Yeah.
so everybody's like price gouging the sweatshirts around here. Here our solution is an amalgamation of whatever clothing we had in the car and basically just freezing our asses off. I'm sorry, freezing our butts off.
So I'm wearing Matt's rain jacket with no shirts. And he's wearing my two t-shirts.
Matt, what are you wearing?
T-shirts and a saran wrap.
Your purple butt.
I really appreciate your help, guys.
I hope you don't fall though.
I feel like you on the stretcher.
So we're just trying to tie Matt into this so that he stays warm. So here we are at the Thurston Lava Tube at the Volcano State Park. National Park. And we're freezing our butts off. It's not as bad as it was by the steam vents because it's not as windy over here.
Oh man, that's
The cave is laughing at us.
you can see that person.
Yeah, hopefully it won't be too cold in there. We were definitely not prepared today because we actually had like headlamps and everything, but we did not bring that today. No, I mean they're just like only if the lava is active. They were warm a long time ago. This is the crater from the 1974 lava flow. Tyler found a fluffy plant.
I've got a hand I can get out of there.
We're here at the eruption point at the volcano, and this is the one spot in the park where you can possibly see some actual flowing lava. You can see like glow on the mist from lots of points, but it's the only place where you can maybe see like a half-mile away a little bit of lava. So we're walking out here in the cold and the wind and the rain down 1 mile down a road that you can't drive on for some reason to see this lava.
Hopefully we will see the lava. We have, there's been reports of people being able to see the lava today, but it's super misty, cold, and rainy. So we'll see what we get. Okay, we made it to the crater where the lava is supposed to be erupting, and we can actually see the lava just a little bit, but we saw it pop. We can see the lines. And luckily we brought some binoculars so we can see better.
Got a little bit of it on the little short.
Please tell me you're getting that.
It's a line now.
There was one
Flash
that
it. Oh yeah. Alright, we're back for round 2 at the volcano. So you can see the lava. We saw some pictures that some people took earlier from the night before, and it looked amazing. And we're coming up over the ridge now, and you can already see the glow on the clouds. I don't know if you can see this. Yes! Look at that red glow put off by the lava. It's so cool.